Julie. I do contractor sales here at Severn Timber Mart. We just started carrying and working with RF Transparent about 4 months ago at the beginning of the summer season. It's taken off really well thus far. We've done at least half a dozen sales. We've done anything between having our customers go and pick it up straight from the warehouse same day, or having a delivery with a turnaround time of about 3 days. All of the feedback's been really great. We do have a competitor railing company, but it is more like an aluminum railing system, so this is definitely a nice option for a lot of our customers. The spigots, they're great. You don't need as many, so you save a lot of cost there. The connectors for the railing are an optional piece, so a lot of people have liked that, so they don't have to worry about it being a structural component. If it's more of a look, so if anyone's looking to save a bit of money in that way, it's a great way and a great option for it.